Copyright 2014, Math, Diagnostics, and Intervention, all rights reserved. We're going to learn how to solve a level 5 equation, and we're going to do so by taking a look at what a level 5 equation is. Let's say that we have the problem 5f plus 3, open a set of parentheses, 4f plus 4, minus 2, and that's equal to 44. This looks like a very complicated problem, but if we take it one step at a time, we'll have no difficulty with it. The first thing we need to recognize is that we have a distributive property. We're going to take the number and its sign, and we're going to multiply the number 3 by everything on the inside of the parentheses, in this case 4f plus 4. When we do that, we get 5f, which didn't change, plus 3 times 4f is 12f, 3 times 4 is 12, subtract 2 didn't change, and that's still equal to 44. We now have a combining like terms issue. Combining like terms, we're going to combine the 5f and the 12f, as well as the 12 and the negative 2. When we combine those, we get 17f plus 10 is equal to 44. We now have a level 2 two-step equation, and we're going to solve that by subtracting 10 from both sides of our equation. We get 17f is equal to 34. Divide both sides by 17, and we get f is equal to 2. Notice that we took a very complicated problem, like this one, and we turned it into a problem that we knew how to do. This one. That's generally what we are going to do with all equations. Let's take a look at another level 5 problem and see how we can do it. Let's take a look at negative 2x minus 5 times negative 4x minus 5 minus 2, and let's set that equal to 95. Once again, we have a distributive property that we will take advantage of first. Negative 2x is unchanged. Negative 5 times negative 4x is 20x. Negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. The minus 2 is unchanged. That's equal to 95. We're going to combine our like terms. Oh, that's 20x there. We're going to combine our like terms, negative 2x and 20x. That gets us 18x. And then our combination of 25 and minus 2 is 23. That's going to be equal to 95. We are at the two-step equation, level 2 equations. Subtract 23 from both sides. We get 18x is equal to 72. Divide both sides by 18. And we end up with x is equal to 4. Once again, we had a distributive property that we needed to deal with, and we dealt with it appropriately. And we also had a combining like terms issue that we had to deal with, and we dealt with that. And we took our very complicated looking level 5 problem and turned it into a relatively easy level 2 problem. So as long as you remember how to do a level 1 distributive property and a level 1 combining like terms, you will have very little difficulty with the level 5 equations. Good luck.